Okay, guys, so let's just jump right into it. I'm really excited about this one. So today I'm going to teach you how to build your own Shopify store and get it started 100% free. As you can see right here on the screen, you can start for free for a 14 day trial, but to be honest, you can get that longer. I've gotten it up to 2 months, and you simply just have to ask. So what you're going to do is you're going to implement your email address. You don't have to put a credit card in anymore. When I first built my original two off Shopify, you did have to implement a credit card, but so that's a great benefit now. And I'm actually going to run through it with you, the whole process, with you, so that we can build stores together. So you can see, the process of how to actually, start and create one, to building it, to, removing the password and making sales. And then I'll start explaining to you how to generate traffic to that and so on and so forth. And we're really going to go through the entire streamline process step by step. And I'm going to build one with you too. So initially, like I said, you can see this 14-day free trial, but at the end of that 14-day free trial, maybe like 12 to 13 days into it, all you literally have to do is either call or email them. And I would suggest calling just because, a potential time lapse with email. And you literally just have to ask for more days. I've done this before. The first time I think I got was close to another 14-day free trial. It was like a month total. And the second time I got 2 months total. So you can literally be making sales, and I'll show you how to remove the password. We'll get you a domain and everything, get you set up, but it literally costs nothing for you initially for the first potentially 2 months. So this is a great way to do it. I'm going to show you how, and we're going to jump right in. So stay tuned for that in the next one.